applications of regular expressions. Okay, so very first application is in the lexical analyzer. Now, what is a lexical analyzer? So let me explain. So we have already seen in the first unit, that is finite automata, what we have seen, what are the applications. So one application was vending machine and another was checking the spell checker. Now we are talking about the lexical analyzer. So you may be knowing that the languages, high level languages are compiled and then they are executed. So the compiler is having multiple phases. The very first phase is a lexical analyzer. Second is a syntax analyzer. So it will be used in the next unit, or this will be the application of the third unit, we can say. Intermediate, code generator. Then next phase is code optimizer. And finally, we have the code generator. So these are the internal different phases of a compiler. Okay. So in a compiler, we are using in the lexical analyzer the regular expressions. Okay. Now how they are used, we will be discussing. So in the lexical analyzer, we are using the regular expression. So one of the example is, now you know already that if I want the in C language, what could be the identification of different identifiers or literals or punctuations, then keywords, operators. So we are using all this as a different types of, these are the tokens. Okay. So whenever we are writing any language and it is given to the compiler, what it does, it first tokenizes it. Tokenizes in the sense, it one by one prepares the token from a given string. Okay. And then this sequence of token, if they are following a particular regular expression, then and then only they will be considered as a valid. For example, in C, the identifiers are having some validity requirements. What are the validity requirements for C identifiers? Can I write int 1a? Is it I think in last year also I have discussed the same question, where I have got the mixed answers, and then I have finally concluded that this particular definition of an identifier is not correct. So as per C, it is required that your identifier must start with the letter. It can be followed by any number of letters, okay, not necessarily. And then here also you can follow any number of digits as well, right? But it is must that your identifier must start with a letter. I hope you have understood it. So if I want this to be represented with the help of regular expression, how I will represent? So the regular expression for identifiers can be written as, how I can write? So letter is must. So whenever there is a must thing, we write like this. Then, or we can say it should start with a letter. Okay, whenever start with letter, that means I should have something like this. Then it can, not necessary you should have all these things. When it is not necessary, that means it should come under the star, zero or more occurrences. And what could be here? It can be either the letters or the numbers. So if I want to represent it with that, then it could be either the letters or the digits. Okay, so what I have tried? I have tried to represent the definition of this identifier with the help of one regular expression. Okay, so it will be what? I can say letter dot letter oblique digits full stop will be the regular expression. What is letter? So letter can be A, B up to Z or A, B up to Z, right? Similarly, what could be the digit? My digit could be 0 to 9. Okay, and I can also represent this with the help of a finite automata as, how I will represent? There will be a state with the letter. I will move to a final state because this is star part. Whenever there is a star part, that means only letter is acceptable. Since only letter is acceptable, it should be a final state, right? And then there is a star for, and there is a oblique. Oblique indicates what? Our plus sign, right? So either there can be a letter or there can be digits, right? So likewise, you can represent. Similarly, if I want to represent the digit, then how I will be representing? It will be digit. It can be only followed by digits only. Here I cannot have letters, right? So in this way, I can represent regular expression. So this is for identifiers, right? The regular expression is this. And for digits, it will be digit. For digits, it will be digit dot digit full stop, or it could be digit plus, right? So this will be the regular expression. So I hope this is clear to you, this application. Now, next application.
So the next application is the text editors. So in text editor also we are using the regular expression for the utility, that is find and replace. So regular expression are used to search the pattern in the whole document when we want this kind of utility. So suppose for example we want to find array and we want to replace it by SB. So in whole document, wherever the array is appearing, that is considered and it will be replaced by SB. So how it will be represented with the help of regular expression? So array is a string which may be either at the start, maybe at the end, or it may be a in middle. So if it is in we want to search for this substring, then we can write it as this. Anything can be before array, there is a star. Again there can be anything after this array with the star. So with this, either starting with or ending with or a substring, all these things can be easily identified. So we have already seen this example in the finite automata. Suppose this is a year, alphabet and you want to search for, so we could draw a finite automata which accepts this as a substring. Okay, so if finite automata can be drawn for this, then we can also represent the respective language with the help of regular expression. Next application is in the text in the grep command in Unix. So there is a command in Unix which is used to check the pattern. So it is command line text search utility. So syntax for grep is grep options pattern and the file name. So grep I Vivek people list dot text. So here the command is searching for this word in the given file. Similarly, the grep command can also search some digits in a particular file which is of the form anything between 0 to 9 and in the file. So likewise, for the grep command in a Unix, these regular expressions are used. So these are the different applications of regular expression. Thank you.